Today on San Joaquin Valley Transparency.
All right, I'm Officer Rogers. Everything's being recorded on my body camera. All right, we're going to separate everybody at this point. All right, I kind of got a gist of what's going on here.
This investigation uncovered a New Jersey fire chief named Henry Miola who tried to hook up with a 14-year-old boy. He was eventually arrested and is now facing charges.
The viewers, it's all over YouTube right now.
On December 6th, 2022, many viewers were tuning in to the live stream from a channel called OBL Nation, including Cristo from Jersey Watcher's YouTube channel. Rami and crew from OBL Nation's channel went to the North Bergen, New Jersey Walmart and met up with the Nutley fire chief, Henry Miola. Jersey Watcher noticed something, but what was it?
The viewers, it's all over YouTube right now.
A New Jersey fire chief was allegedly busted for trying to lure an underage boy for 33-year-old Henry Miola appeared before a judge today on charges including luring. He was released from custody and now will be monitored until his next court date, which is set for January 19th. A group that tries to catch child says it live-streamed video of him on December 6th at a Walmart in North Bergen, where he allegedly came to meet with a person who he had thought was a 14-year-old boy.
How old did he tell you who he was? He said he was 14. 14. And how old are you? 33.
I wanted to meet someone to potentially have some form of something sexual or whatever.
The Nutley Board of Commissioners says Miola was suspended from his volunteer fire chief duties the day after that incident.
You're streaming right now. Who are you?
Town attorney.
The town attorney.
Yeah.
So
Are you representing him or what's going on?
No, I came here with Al. He said that somebody may have been in trouble, and I was just with Al.
Cristo from Jersey Watcher's YouTube channel loves his community. He ran for mayor. He is currently restricted from posting on his YouTube channel because a judge restricted him due to a pending case that included Rami. More on that later. Cristo was watching the live stream and he realized who the Nutley fire chief was and that he was making calls to what appeared to be his handlers/fixers to get him out of this mess. Cristo called the Nutley Police Department and informed them of the live stream and demanded the fire chief to be arrested. Cristo immediately researched Henry Miola, fire chief, and found that he would soon be at a Christmas event where he would play Santa Claus and he would have access to more children of the community to sit on his lap. Cristo had to think fast and take action quick. Cristo understood that Rami sometimes lets the subjects go like he did a New York senator. He had to save the kids this Christmas. And as Cristo was on the phone with the police department, Rami and the accused fire chief Henry Miola took a ride in the fire chief's car and drove from the North Bergen Walmart to Nutley, New Jersey, specifically Petracco's Deli. When they arrived at the deli, the town attorney, Jonathan Bruno, and Public Safety Director and Commissioner Alphonse Petracco, who owns the deli, were already waiting for the fire chief to arrive. Were they ready to stand by to try to fix the situation? This is another incident where Jersey Watcher's restriction from social media doesn't stop his investigative journalism and activism, and got another government parasite off his position and identified as a possible predator. Was the Nutley town attorney willing to violate ethics and represent Fire Chief Henry Miola unofficially on taxpayers' dime? Why else was he there?
Who are you?
Town attorney.
The town attorney.
Yeah.
So
Are you representing him or what's going on?
No, I came here with Al. He said that somebody may have been in trouble, and I was just with Al.
All right.
we were just.
I understand you guys are recording, but please stand over there though. All right, because right now we got to speak to you. We have a situation with him, right?
Right.
All right, so please go stand over there. This officer is going to get all your information.
Okay.
All right. Are you representing him?
No.
Then let's go stand over there. You have your driver's license on you?
Yeah.
All right, come around this way. Go this way.
Can I just say something? We just wanted to have civil.
There's nothing civil. What you're reporting and live streaming is criminal behavior. That's something criminal here. From my understanding.
We end up following up.
other detectives. For now, I just want to have a civil conversation. You guys are not.
There's no civil conversation right now. What you are live streaming is a possible criminal behavior going on. So now it's a police investigation, and you're involved in a police investigation now. So we're going to need all your.
So am I being detained? You're being detained right now. Yes, you are.
We need your information. We need your information.
I'm on your recording. But if I have to commit a crime, in the commission of a crime or suspected of committing a crime, I won't have the authority.
Just have a seat. Have a seat in here.
Who's this?
He's the town attorney, I think.
Oh. So the prudent thing to do is we're going to go to our headquarters so we don't stand in the rain, because that's the way we're going to do it.
Absolutely.
So let's get everybody to headquarters, and we'll Sorry. Go ahead.
I just want to get a check back.
Oh.
When we pulled up, he looked like he was in a fog, so I wasn't sure if he was medically okay.
Hey, look, being that this is just we're investigating, you want me to put him in handcuffs? I mean, I
would say no. Put him in the back of the car right now. I mean, you could, but right now,
we don't know.
I have this story. I don't know if he's even
As of right now, all we have is
committed a crime right now. So I think we're going to escort everybody to headquarters.
He's actively detained because we're in the middle of an investigation.
Yeah. So I mean, right now I don't know. I can't confirm what they're saying is true. So until we confirm any of that stuff, we're just going to get everybody to headquarters and we'll go forward from there. Which one's the pause on this? Which one's the pause again?
Like mute it?
Yeah,
it's the.
So that's mute, or that's still recording?
I think mute.
How do you pause it? Isn't there a pause? Like the pause?
I'll just stop it.
Or just stop it?
I never pause it.
How do you unmute it? Just hit that again?
I think as long as you press down.
Unmute when you release it.
Yeah. Just hold it.
Oh, you just got to hold it. Yeah. You got to keep it held?
As long as you hold it and mute when you release it.
We don't know anything yet. We just know what's kind of taking place and unfolded as we're standing here. So there's nothing to inform him of as of yet.
We're going to get everybody out of here, Commissioner. We're going to bring them back to headquarters and investigate. Okay?
Yeah.
Good. How are you?
Good.
Which one's the pause again?
To like mute it?
Yeah, just to.
Yeah, let's do that.
So that's mute, or that's still recording?
I think it's mute.
How do you pause it? Isn't there a pause? Like the pause?
I would just stop it.
Or just stop it?
Yeah.
Being that you are in our car, you are detained, and we are investigating criminal, I'm going to read you your rights. So you're not in handcuffs, you are detained. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided for you. Do you understand the rights I have just read to you? With this rights of mine, do you wish to speak to me? I'm not asking any questions right now, but someone may, but you've been advised of your rights, okay?
And not only that, I wanted to...
What's going on, Ken?
I have no idea. I came here because, Al thought that this guy might have a problem, and he said, if he had a problem, we'd try to help him. But then these guys showed up, and there were video. I don't know what's going on in the background. I guess they're live streaming something. I'm worried he may be having like a mental health issue.
And
he didn't look right.
Right.
Oh, do we have like the mental health liaison?
Well, I mean, we could have the squad check him out and everything.
Yeah. That may be the
Q4 headquarters.
That may be the move. I don't know who these guys are.
Q4 headquarters. Q4 to headquarters. Q4, can you send the squad to Bloomfield and Raymond, please? Can you have the squad respond to Bloomfield and Raymond? Hey, Mo, what was going on down here?
Lock that door.
Right. Right. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. All right. Yep. All right. All right. I bet. And recording.
I don't know who they want you to see. I don't know. The lieutenant called it in. They walked away, so I don't know who they want. Do you want to see the ambulance? No. Okay.
Steve, do we have any information like date of birth or any of that?
Henry, what's your date of birth?
Is it in the roadway affecting traffic or no?
Just step out of the car for a second while I search and make sure you have the weapon. Do you have anything in the box that will? Wallet. You can keep your wallet on you, keep your phone on you.
You unmute when you release it.
Alright. We'll have a seat. Everything that's going on.
As long as you hold it and mute when you release it.
It's investigation right now, alright? You've been Mirandized because you are detained. Alright, just put your feet into the car. We're going to be transporting you to headquarters pending this investigation. Okay? You got everything? Just follow me. Alright, just have a seat in here. Like I said, you are detained. Alright? At this point, you're not under arrest. You are Mirandized. Do you want to talk?
I don't know what else to say. I fucked up. That's about it. So.
About what? Like this.
I don't know what I was thinking. I really don't.
Alright, well, the detectives are going to come talk to you and everything and square this away, alright? If you need anything, just like knock on the door or holler, alright?
Alright.
Termination of body camera. Confidential.
All of the body cam footage was found on the New Jersey Audit channel. I'll drop the channel and video links in the description and pinned comment. Make sure to go subscribe and give them the credit they deserve. I will be bringing you follow-up videos as the case moves forward, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell here to stay updated. Sometimes people do bad things. Police seem to be a little too occupied doing God knows what, that the people have to take it upon themselves to nab the bad guys and get them off the streets. I don't agree that predator poacher channels are vigilante groups, only because most of them are willing to work with police to put these bad guys away. Thank you guys for tuning in. We will see you guys on the next video. It involves a cop who thought he could get away with committing crimes. Until then, record police now. Have your cameras ready. We'll see you on the next video.